So here's how to do squats, very, very simply. Stand with a comfortable foot width. Some people may be slightly wider, some people be slightly narrower, like so. Most people should point the toes out slightly because that helps most people. Keep the chest relatively upright. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend the knees and the hips at the same time and drop myself down until my hips reach roughly the level of my knee like this, okay? Then I come back up and I drop back down like that, okay? If you're finding that you're struggling with these, practice them on a seat first of all. So say for example like this, I can go down, sit down fully in the seat and come back up. And you'll notice that even though this is just me sitting down and standing up, it is essentially an identical movement to a squat. So people really overcomplicate squats and how you do them. You want to think of them as the exact same movement as sitting down and standing up, only there isn't an actual surface to sit on. So imagine in your head that there's an invisible chair behind you, sit it down, pause, drive back up. Some people will have different foot widths, some people will have different postures, but you will have to find one that suits you. But that's the gist of it, roughly speaking.